running some errands, and I just wanted to check in with y'all about everything that happened this week, and then I will probably put this vlog out next week depending on how everything goes. But we were able to make some progress as far as information goes with finding out that we need to do the land surveying first. So I did talk to a land surveyor on, I think it was Monday, but the quote that he gave me was a lot. So we are looking for another land surveyor that can do the land surveying at more of an affordable rate, and then from there we'll get the land cleared off and get the process started with actually getting our home placed and everything. But outside of that, like, if you know me in real life, you know I'm always up to something. So me and one of my good friends, we started working on a new product for our both of our companies. Outside of being a yogi, I am also a loctician. So I am working on some products for my lock babies. So be on the lookout for that very, very soon. I'm very excited about the creative process and working with herbs and everything. So it's going to be amazing. I'm actually headed to get some more herbs that we are missing, so that this evening we can start back on, you know, creating our products. And then just running some more errands. Gonna try to cook 2 meals today so that I don't have to cook for the rest of the week. You know, trying to work smart, not hard. So I bust out my mom's recipe box and found a couple of recipes so I can make me and my wife up some meals to last for the rest of the week. But outside of that, like, oh yeah, and then I started packing. Also, I started in the kitchen, so I started like packing appliances, dishes that we don't necessarily use all the time, utensils. And today I'm gonna do like our plastic containers and stuff. I'm gonna leave out a few, but pack up the majority, and just try to get as much of the kitchen cleaned out as possible. So you know, it's not much left to do in there. And then from the kitchen, then I will tackle my workspace and get that all packed up. So we making progress. I also went ahead on and put in our 30-day notice with our leasing company. So it's official. We are moving by May the 10th, and set everything up with the power company. I think the last thing I have to do is set everything up with the water company. But yeah, like, things are in motion and so much is happening at one time. And then after the 14th of April, I'll be able to share more with y'all as far as things that are going on with my wife, and get her to get on the vlog and, you know, let y'all know what's going on with her. But just things are moving. They are moving very quickly, and I'm very excited for it. And just like this morning, I took time out and, you know, just got on my mat and stretched it out and just talked to God and prayed and everything, and it felt really good. Like, outside of me teaching, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a little bit of a struggle with showing up to my mat just for myself. I have this thing where I'm good at showing up for other people, but I'm not necessarily consistent with showing up for myself. So this morning I just took time to show up for myself, love on myself, and be gracious with myself. And I really appreciate, you know, myself for taking that time. And I felt so good. Like, I felt really, really good, and I am putting forth a conscious effort to just continue showing up for myself. And I'm noticing that the more I pour into me, the more the things that I am asking the universe for pours out for me. So just my main focus is myself going for it. And yeah, just continuing to vibrate very high, and looking forward to all of the changes and, you know, all of the endless possibilities. So I just wanted to check in portion while it was still fresh on my mind. Check back in with y'all later and post this vlog next week. So as always, love y'all mystics. Y'all stay beautiful and keep those vibrations high. Hey mystics, happy Monday. Today is Monday, April the 3rd, if I'm not mistaken, and I am kicking off my weekly vlog. So today has been very emotional for me. My anxiety has been kicking my ass today. So I have cried, I have screamed, I have prayed, I have meditated, and just emotionally I have been all over the place. We are officially in our countdown of moving out of our house, and I'm not gonna lie, as time is getting closer, my anxiety is just and just coming to terms with so many changes, so many things, kind of being beyond my control right now. Not really having a definite timeline of when we will be moving into our home and just everything that goes along with that. So yeah, today was very tough, but also I made a decision today to do something major, and I'll share that with y'all once everything comes into fruition with that. But just know that as this in between time is going on, your girl is getting on her shit. I'm making moves and I'm making sure that I am maximizing the amount of money that I am able to save on my end so that we can get into our home as soon as possible. I made some leeway with contacting some land surveyors today. So I'm waiting on them to give me a call back. Hopefully they'll give me a call back tomorrow so we can get some more quotes, and then we can make our decision on which land surveying company we want to go with, and then also getting our land cleared off. Right now we're looking, sorry about that, the phone fell. But right now we're looking at a company that it's about $4,000 to get the land survey, but I'm hoping I can get another quote that's under that, and also a reputable company, of course. So just waiting for that to come. And then last week I started working on some new products and stuff for my lot business, so I'm very excited to share those with y'all once they they are ready to be shared. But we gotta wait about 2 months for everything to happen, so very, very, very excited about that. And yeah, just dealing with anxiety, dealing with depression trying to creep in and keeping it at bay. So normally on Mondays I do teach my restorative yoga class, but I decided to not do class today because mentally I'm not in the headspace to facilitate for anyone else. But a little later on this evening, my wife and I are gonna do a private session at home. So I'll share some footage of our session together, and just doing a little self-care, definitely heavy on the self-love and pouring back into my own cup. But I think that's about it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to do hair in Bessemer, and then the rest of the week I'll be doing hair as well. So you know me, always alternating between hair, yoga, and jewelry. And today I was able to tap into my creative bag. So this is one of the pendants that I made today. This one is hematite. And then I am working on some lock jewelry. I also made a few copper rings. This is another one. I don't know if you can really see them. And then this is another one that I made. And then I did an order. It's already packed up, but I did a 7 chakra necklace, 2 children pendants, and a cage pendant. So, yeah, I made a lot of leeway today. And hold on a second. I got a message. But anyway, I am very I'm really looking forward to the changes. I just have to continue, like just coaching myself and I guess like continues with my affirmations to let myself know that everything is going to be all right. With anxiety, it is a constant battle, and just continue to reiterate that everything's gonna be all right, everything's gonna work out in our favor, and I am the controller of my reality. So, yeah, but beautiful risings, beautiful people. Happy Friday. It is April the 7th, 2023, and I am so excited to just rise another day in gratitude and in love. So, this week, it was pretty chill overall. I got a lot accomplished. So, I am pleased to share that I am going back to school. I'll be starting school next month on May the 2nd, and I am going to school for my natural hair license. I am very, very, very excited. So, with that being said, not April, excuse me, May the 1st will be my last restorative yoga class until the completion of school, which will be between July and August. So there will be no restorative Mindful Monday classes from May until July or August. So we're taking the summer off so that I can go to school and do what I need to do. Also, we're still in the process of packing and getting ready to move out of this house. I'll be transitioning to my mom's house next month as well. So we got a lot going on in the month of May, as well as it's my freaking solar return. Your girl is turning 30 years old. I'm so excited. And with all the doors that are opening, so many good things are on the way, so many transitions. I am fucking excited. And then also, one of my good friends invited me to go to Miami with her this coming Monday. So I am so excited for that, which is why we will not have our Mindful Monday class this week. We will be back on the mat on the 17th. So I am just so freaking excited, and I gotta finish packing. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little dragging my feet on packing because it's a lot. Like, especially the crystals. Like, I have crystals everywhere. The crystals that I sell, as well as my own personal crystal collection, easily has like over 500 crystals. So I have to figure out like what crystals are coming with me, what crystals do I have to pack. So yeah, gotta get that taken care of. And like I said, overall this week was just like real chill, real smooth, just making decisions, connecting with spirit, getting major downloads, and just looking forward to a brighter future. And yeah, like today I got a pretty tight day. We're doing hair at 9. I got a one-on-one yoga call at 11, and then I'm doing hair at 12:30. I planned on taking a shroom trip today, but it just depends on how my day works out. If I do take a shroom trip, then y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all about my experience and what messages I get from the divine. But yeah, I'm doing hair today. I'm doing hair tomorrow, and I'm doing hair Sunday morning. And then Monday morning, I'm going to Miami. We're just going for 2 days, but I've never been before, so I'm very excited. And then coming back, hopping back into doing hair, and continuing to pack so we can get on out of here. And today I gotta go ahead and call the storage place so we can go ahead and get our storage unit, and then next week we can start moving stuff to our storage so the house don't get too full with boxes, and it continues to be a smooth transition out of here. Got all the places, we went ahead and put our notice in. We got everything taken care of with the rental company, with our bills and everything. So I think everything with the exception of the Wi-Fi will be officially cut off on the 10th, and then the Wi-Fi gonna be cut off on the 1st, which that's gonna freaking suck. But that just means, baby, we want to be watching on TV, we want to be on the internet, we be getting our butts on up out of here. Don't even be comfortable. So yeah, but I think that's about it for now. I just wanted to check in and just wish everybody a beautiful and prosperous day. I hope y'all Friday has been everything that y'all wanted to be, everything y'all needed to be. And coming up off this full moon energy, I'm just feeling lovely. I'm feeling great. And I feel like the next phase of my journey is really focusing on turning my dreams into reality and getting into alignment with everything that I need to be doing. So that's exactly what I'm coming after. That's exactly what I'm doing. So yeah, and learning to just live in the moment too. Cause I ain't gonna lie, like with having my yoga class, I had found myself like feeling like I was responsible for facilitating other people's healing, and like really stopping myself from doing things that I want to do, like spur of the moment, because I am a very spontaneous spur of the moment person. And so when my friend invited me to go to Miami, at first I'm like, oh no, I can't go because I have to do this and I have to do that, and then spirit just like, girl, go live your life, go have your experiences, go have your moments. The people that gonna be them, you know, if they really and truly coming because they need you, or they coming because they fuck with you, they gonna be there even after you do what you need to do. So with not having class this Monday, as well as having to stop class while I do school, spirit just let me know like the people, they gonna be there. You need to do what you need to do. So this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing what I need to do. I need to get away. I'm taking a getaway. I need to go to school. I'm taking my butt to school. So the last, I think it'll be like 3 weeks until I do start school. Y'all come out. Y'all enjoy. I would love to have y'all in the space. And when I come back, I would love to have y'all in the space. But be patient with me in the meantime while I go and I do what I need to do to continue to further my business and continue to be able to provide for my family. So that's all I got for today. As always, I love y'all. Y'all stay beautiful and keep them vibrations high, Misty.
Puerta de 26 hasta de 39.
They not nipping.
So that's why I fish. Oh, and these real big ones,
Oh, they so big.
you got to get closer to the water.
They so big. Oh, they so big.
You want to get no closer?
Yeah, I'm scared.
It was actually one coming.
I'm scared. It's one looking at me too. You see me? I see you. Come on. Don't you want it? Come on. Come on. You see me. We making eye contact. Come on. Oh, they so
You
big.
too far.
They so big.
They don't have teeth though.
Come on.
Oh, I keep snapping the reflex. Can't help it. Oh, get it, dude. Get it.
Beautiful risings, beautiful people. I am at Hollywood Beach. Get ready to go lay out in the sun and enjoy these wind and the waves. And I just took me a little shrooms. So I'm getting ready to disconnect from technology and just enjoy my day. Love y'all. Y'all stay beautiful and keep those. OMG. Oh my God. It's a whole field of them. I think it's safe to get close.
you gonna do on your live? You know, it's gonna get lost. But just start, you know what I'm saying? And that way you can always come back to it. And when you're ready to rebook, you don't have to call. If I'm at work, I'll do it for you. Just call me and I'll do it for you.
Time to head back to Birmingham. This trip meant everything to me. To be able to just unplug from the world and tap back into myself in a deep, deep, deep way was something that I knew I needed, but I didn't quite understand that I needed. And from my trip, I realized that, you know, in searching for your purpose and searching for your place in the world, it's choice. Purpose is choice. Life is choice. And as long as you are making the right decisions that lead you to become the best version of yourself, then you are fulfilling your purpose. Don't put yourself on a pedestal. Don't feel like you're obligated to other people. Just do what makes you happy. And from this day forward, that's exactly what I'm committing to. And I don't care what that looks like. I'm grateful, I'm satisfied, and that's all that matters. As always, Mystics, y'all stay beautiful, keep those vibrations high. I love you, and I'll see you next video.